camper horn going, you're going to have a start horn. Or a vehicle over there. Thank you, Peter. Just use your voice. Okay. You're right, Pete. Are you ready? When the horn goes, go.
Don't fall in.
Go! Come on, the green!
Not allowed
No,
to
green!
follow.
Come on, blow, Rowdy, blow! Come on, blow!
You got cooties on your leg, Rowdy!
That's blowing your way.
Come on, the yellow's in the lead! Come on!
But I remind you, sir, green is 1.1 passing motorway, it looks like.
Come on, green!
The finish line is when they get somewhere.
Whoa! Last one to hit the beat!
Avast, you lovers! Hold on the bowling!
Hard on you, Captain!
They're just taking!
Oh, that's good. It must be taking.
Yeah. Separation.
Green and yellow.
Oh, come on, green! Come on, green!
Go the yellow one! Go the yellow one!
Typical mix.
Pick one in front. Green one, you're going to hit first. The yellow one's sailing
Can't get in there anyway.
Oh, they're going to make it.
Oh, this is crazy.
Oh, you got cooties getting on the
yellow
legs,
one,
Rowdy.
go! Go the yellow one! Go the yellow one!
What's going on? I bet that was cold.
Okay! By declaration of no wind, I declare the yellow one the winner.
It's going to go now.
It's moving now, look at it!
You might be.
We have a winner change!
Winner change. Not a wind change.
Just ease the mane a bit. Look at that wind shift!
Yellow! Come on, yellow!
Oh, that looks like Roscoe's one. The green
Hey Roscoe, is that your Greenpeace ship?
Yeah, that's the Robo Warrior. Hey, is somebody on the finish line?
Not yet.
Here comes the winners now. Oh, would be calm.
That one could be green tea.
Just drag. Protest. Yeah.
It'd be funny if the other bloke could get over the line first.
Yeah, well,
Green's trying to board the pink boat. Baby.
It's called getting tangled up, isn't it?
Nearly!
Penalty turn.
He's got a backer.
I think he caught it right the first time.
Here comes the rescue boats.
Here comes the committee.
Jammed under
I think when they get near the bait, the wind swirls around anyway.
Hey, going for the girl power.
Okay, now which one was the winner?
Yellow.
Yellow!
Junior versus junior. There we go.
Look at that. Wow.
There we go. And a frisbee for you. You go practice with those, practice your flying.
Because you're flying.
Frisbee.
There has to be a flying influence.
And chocolate.
Okay, give these guys a big round. Thank you guys, well done. Okay, the next ones we're going to call up is the